What about the product of sums? Product of sums. So you can now, it is somehow reversed. Now for the product of sums, it is the same, but reversed. Because here we have now sums. We have many sums multiplied together. Let us understand this by an example. If I take A plus B plus C, for example, multiplied by A bar plus B plus C bar, for example, you can see that this expression having how many products? It has one product, it is a product, and with how many sums? Two sums. This is this one sum, and the other sum, these are sums, because A plus B plus C, one sum, A bar plus B plus C bar, another sum. And these two sums are multiplied together. So this is what we call product of sums. And this product of sums, whether we have different variables, A, B, C variables, and we can say the domain. The domain, what is the domain here? The domain is A, B, and C. Okay. Now, let us remember again. What about the addition in Boolean addition? In the Boolean addition, the addition brings us to which logic get? To the OR get. So it means that we have one OR get. A or B or C. So it is one OR get. So there we have another OR get. So we have the product of sum are ORs, many ORs, because a sum, one OR, another sum, one OR, another sum, another OR. So these are ORs ANDed. Because multiplication means AND. So that's why, friend, you can see for the sum of product is AND gets ORed. While the product of sums is ORs ANDed. Yes. There are other names we give to this sum of product and product of sums. This sum of products, in other words, we call them also called disjunctive. Yes, disjunctive form. This is can you remember? What is that? Is also called disjunctive, normal form, or we can write this disjunctive and F. disjunctive normal form. While this is named conjunctive normal form. So we can write like this. Good. So these are other names. If we say disjunctive DNF, understand that this is SOP. Or if we say CNF, understand that it is product of sums. So these are names, but they are similar. So now, as I was saying, we have three forms of representation. Let us first repeat. The first one is the sum of product, SOP, where we have products summed together. Giving an example, AB, B, C bar, plus B bar, D. These are the three products summed together. That's why we can say one product is equal to a NAND gate. It is equal to a NAND gate. One product, an AND gate. One product, an AND gate. That's why we say the sum of product is equivalent to many ANDs ORed together. In other words, we can name DNF. This DNF is the disjunctive disjunctive normal form, DNF, or it is the same as SOP. For the other side, product of sums are sums multiplied together, where one sum is equivalent to a NOR gate, another sum is equivalent to a NOR gate. So take one OR with another OR, multiply, that is an AND gate. So that's what we can say the product of sums is equivalent to ORs, many ORs, ANDed together. Good. So in other words, we call them conjunctive normal form, or C.